Buying a high-end laptop with an Nvidia RTX 4090 graphics card inside generally means that you're aiming for the best performance possible for gaming or for other intensive tasks like 3D rendering. Nvidia's RTX 4090 laptop GPU won't match the performance of its desktop counterpart due to heat and power constraints, but it will still offer the best mobile power around. So, are you ready to find the best RTX 4090 laptop for your needs? And here are the 5 best RTX 4090 laptop you can buy in 2023. For more information on the products, we've included links in the description box down below. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 8. This Gen 8 Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is still a good high-tier laptop with powerful components and solid performance in demanding loads, as well as an ergonomic utilitarian design, and the screen leans back flat to 180 degrees. In terms of display, there's a 16-inch 16:10 display in the 2023 Legion Pro 7 series. The panel is 2560 by 1600 pixel QHD plus resolution, 500 plus nits of brightness, and 100% sRGB color coverage, with variable refresh rates between 165 up to 240 Hz, fast response times, and G-Sync. Under the hood, the 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900HX processor has the power to rival a desktop setup, and it's joined by up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 2 TB of M.2 PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD storage split between 2 drives. Opting for an RTX 4090 laptop GPU brings the price up to about $3,419. That makes it one of the better values around while still offering up the most complete package. Lenovo has its own secret sauce to maximize performance: the new LA2Q AI chip and Lenovo AI Engine Plus. This specific chip is the hardware that powers the software, which combines machine learning and dynamic settings to balance elements like fan speeds and refresh rates. One of the luxuries that a larger chassis affords designers is the ample room it gives you for ports, and this Legion has wired connectivity all over the place. And the Legion Pro 7i Gen 8 offers per-key RGB lighting, a fun feature that isn't always offered on a mid-range gaming laptop. Overall, when it comes to the overall best gaming laptops available today, it's not absolutely perfect, but it's easy to look past the so-so battery life. It is a gaming laptop after all, and lack of 4K display option when confronted with all the great features. Razer Blade 18. The Blade 18 is Razer's largest and most powerful laptop yet. The laptop isn't a typical gaming laptop. It is the pinnacle of what current cutting-edge technology looks like. Razer's new Blade 18 launched February 8th and has since been tearing up modern games and workflows with its desktop-class performance. Powered by Intel's 13th Gen Core i9-13950HX CPU, partnered with Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, there is no lack of horsepower, but this gas guzzler will devour your battery, so being near an outlet is a must. This model is priced at around $4,500 at Marketplace. Moreover, the 18-inch display on the Razer Blade 18 is theater-like with its 16:10 aspect ratio and crystal-clear QHD 2560 by 1600 resolution. The display is a speedy 240 Hz to prevent tearing and artifacts while gaming. 6 speakers with 3 smart amps pump out quality sound even when you aren't wearing a quality gaming headset, and the 5-megapixel camera can be used for streaming. The Blade 18 comes with all the ports a gamer could ever need. Overall, the Blade's 18-inch QHD 240 Hz display is an eyeball-caressing beast that you can devour games and media content on for days on end if you remember to stay plugged in. With mighty specs and a gorgeous all-metal matte black design that gives it the vibe and curb appeal of a matte black Bentley SUV, this is the powerful, luxurious gaming laptop. HP OMEN 17. HP announced updates to its OMEN 17 gaming laptop at CES 2023, and the new models have now launched. In usual HP fashion, there are many different pre-built models and plenty of customizable options, but the one that caught our eye has the Nvidia RTX 4090 laptop GPU running at 175 watt, The GPU is joined by a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900HX CPU, up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, up to 2 TB of M2 PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD storage, and your choice of 165Hz or 240Hz 17.3-inch QHD display. There's no 4K display option, but you'll still be able to flex your RTX 4090 with the higher refresh rate at 1440 pixel. Wireless connectivity is provided through a Wi-Fi 6E plus BT 5.3 card. The system comes with an HD webcam, stereo bang and Olufsen speakers, and an 83 watt-hour battery. The OMEN 17 uses an optical mechanical keyboard for outstanding gaming performance, and you can opt for 4-zone or per-key RGB lighting. Looking at Amazon, a Core i7-13700HX model with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB of SSD costs about $2,899. That's expensive, but it's more affordable than many of the other laptops in this list, which might be the best bet once HP's sale has ended. Overall, the HP OMEN 17 is an excellent choice for professionals looking for a powerful laptop, but at a fair price. Asus ROG Strix Scar 18-inch. The Scar 18 is a performance laptop with an 18-inch display, a full-size chassis, and an updated beefy tri-fan thermal module, required to cope with the bundled hardware. In just a few words, this is an excellent large-format work and gaming laptop, primarily meant for desk use. This device comes with a 170-watt up to 175-watt TGP RTX 4090, plus the most top-of-the-line Intel CPU, the i9-13980HX. This processor has terrific multi-core and single-core performance, meaning you can use it for high-end workstation tasks, rendering software, and multi-core programming operations alongside gaming. However, it comes at a hefty price of $3,900 for the base model. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 18 has a magnificent 1610-1600 pixel, 240 Hz screen that can reach a bright 500 nits and covers 100% of the sRGB color spectrum. In short, color reproduction is excellent on this laptop, without any of that washed-out look that lesser screens could have. Overall, the 2023 Asus ROG Strix Scar 18 is a great gaming laptop that is equipped to handle the most intense games on the market and deliver a great experience when doing so. It is about as future-proof as a laptop can get in 2023. MSI Titan 17-inch GT77HX. The MSI Titan GT77HX is a gaming powerhouse that pushes the boundaries of what you can expect from a gaming laptop. With a premium price tag, this laptop brings top-notch performance, a model with the Intel Core i9-13980HX CPU, Nvidia RTX 4090 laptop GPU at 175 watt, 128 GB of DDR5 RAM, and 4 TB of speedy M2 PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD storage costs about $5,299 at Amazon. Aside from the flagship CPU and GPU, it features a 17.3-inch 4K UHD mini LED display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz and supports HDR 1000. It has a beautiful display that smokes some of the competition's LCD offerings with ease. MSI also uses a Cherry MX mechanical keyboard, which feels excellent to type on. The RGB lighting on this machine isn't screaming compared to other gaming laptops. There's also a fingerprint sensor for unlocking. It has several connectivity options, including an SD card reader and many more. Overall, the MSI Titan GT77 is one of the most expensive RTX 4090 laptops available, and its hefty weight and large power brick make it more of a desktop replacement than a portable laptop. That said, if you're looking for the ultimate gaming experience and don't mind the premium price tag, the MSI Titan GT77HX is a fantastic choice.